Mina bashki mina sagani. No, how's that go? Mina bashki mina sagani, batuse jikani, bakwe jikan. Mina bashki mina sagani, batuse jikani, bakwe jikan, yeah. Mina bashki mina sagani, batuse jikani. Bakwajikan, yeah, mina bashki mina sakani, batusi chikani. Bakwajikan, mina bashki mina sakani, batusi chikani. Bakwajikan. Blueberry pie, or you could just say blueberry pie, but that's not so fun. Mina bashki mina sakani, batusi chikani, bakwajikan. Mina bashki mina sagani, batuse chikani, bokwe jikan. Oh wow, gee, we're just died as singers. Well, we sing together a lot, so it's really, yeah, I know. It's almost like we finish each other's sentences. All right. It's a little bit funny, this feeling inside. Not one of those who can easily hide. Don't have much money, but boy, if I did, I'd buy a big house where we both could live. You can tell everybody this is your song. It may be quite simple, but now that it's done, I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down the words. How wonderful life is while you're in the world. Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the early morning edition. And I was just kind of checking the microphones here. Okay, I'm not really checking the microphones. I'm not even wearing my headset. You think I should put the head? Nah, who cares? So, yeah, welcome back to the show. And I don't know, I'm just kind of feeling sort of mellow this morning. And I hope you don't mind, I should have prepared for this show. I don't know what I'm going to talk about. Right now, everybody's clicked off and are looking at a different video. I didn't plan what I was going to say today. So today's word of the day. Noonday Minnequay, noonday Minnequay. Noonday Minnequay, noonday Minnequay. Hey everybody! Noonday Minnequay. I'm thirsty, so I think I'm gonna have a drink. So okay. Well, hey, I think we're gonna cut it short today. We did the word of the day. We did everything, and I don't have any stories that disrespect famous celebrities. Let's see. Oh, okay. You know what? Let me say just this much. Hot summer night and the beach was burning. There was fog crawling over the sand. When I listen to your heart, I hear the whole world turning. I see the shooting stars falling through your trembling hands. Now you hold me so close and my knees grow weak, and my soul is flying high above the ground. I'm trying to speak, but no matter what I do, I just can't seem to make any sound. And then you took the words right out of my mouth. Oh, it must have been while you were kissing me. You took the words right out of my mouth. And I swear it's true, I was just about to say I love you. Giza got in. Oh, I swear it's true. I was just about to say Gizagain. I love you. All right, let's start that way. Now I can't remember the way the song goes. And then you took the words right out of my mouth. Oh, it must have been while you were kissing me. You took the words right out of my mouth. And I swear it's true. I was just about to say Gizagain. I love you. Hey, BOOZHOO! BOOZHOO Nij Anashanabe Dug. Welcome back to the BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO podcast. The podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And our Ojibwe word of the day. Gizagain. I guess it's more of a sentence than a word. Yeah, I suppose. Yeah. Gizagain. I love you. Did you like how I burped on that? I love to burp. Alright, maybe we should start over. You took the words right out of my mouth. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Alright. Okay, sorry, we're not going to do a show right now. Watch the other video. But if you did watch this, the Ojibwe phrase is Gizagain. I love you. And you have been watching the what is this? The B-roll, the extra, after the DVD's over and they go, oh, here's a bunch of crap we left on the editing room floor. This is the editing room. Okay, we gotta get out of here. All right, let me shut this off. Just in case we use it.